We'll be going on to filling out the brows using the Browlution pencil. So the very beautiful thing about the Browlution pencil is that it has a spoolie on one side of the end and the pencil is on the other side. So you get to use the spoolie to brush out your hairs, your brow hairs, and you get to use the pencil to fill out. So let's see how the Browlution pencil gives us a natural brow look. So you can see the difference between having your Browlution pencil on your brows and without it. See that this just enhanced the brow look, made it look fuller, still having its natural shade, natural look.